Did you know that you do not need to have an employer offer you a retirement plan for you to use one? My name is Paul Vasquez with Tax Lab, and you need to become an ethical millionaire. So that's right, you do not need your employer to offer you a 401k plan for you to begin to invest in a retirement plan. That's what the IRA is for. It stands for Individual Retirement Account. And there's two main types. There is a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA. And where do you go to get these? You could try your bank, but there's even online brokerage accounts. Guess what? Right now, most of them are free. That's right. You can go on to any number of these. I started off with Robinhood because they were one of the first to offer a regular brokerage account to almost anybody for free. And then they had that 401k. I tried Betterment, and now my favorite is Schwab. That's where I'm doing mine. And now there are some limits to how much you can put in every year. If you're under the age of 50 or under, you can only put up to $7,000 in a year. So that's the max you can put into your retirement account if you don't have an employer, is $7,000 if you're under the age of 50. If you're 50 or over, they give you an additional $1,000 that you can put in to try to catch up. All you need is at least that much earned income from whatever source. It doesn't have to be a W-2 if you're a 1099 worker. If you can show that you have some earned income, it can't be interest income or dividend income. You can't take that money and reinvest it into a retirement account, but you have to have that much earned income. Guess what? There's no age limit. That's right. You could start at 1 month old or 99 years old. So there's no age limit on it. You just have to have earned income sufficient to invest. And you too can have your retirement investment account. Yes, some people are aware that there is a limit to your income. So if you're making over $100,000, you cannot necessarily contribute to a Roth IRA. If you are working for an employer who offers a retirement plan, the threshold is lower. If your employer offers a retirement plan, it's lower. If neither you or your spouse participate in an employer-sponsored retirement plan, then that limit's a little bit higher. Now, there's another limit that prevents somebody from taking the tax deduction in the year they contribute on an IRA. So that's called a post-tax contribution. So you don't get the benefit of an income reduction, but you can still put that money in. So you can do that. This allows you for the backdoor strategy. If you have hit the income limit for the Roth side, you first contribute to the IRA, the traditional kind, and then you can do a rollover to the Roth. So you can do that rollover to the Roth IRA any point, given that you don't already have some money elsewhere in an employer-sponsored plan. So it does get a little bit more detail-oriented as you get into the finer details. But that shouldn't prevent you from starting now. You don't even have to start with a lot of money. You could probably start with $1 on some of these apps. So start now, give it a try, maybe try $1, maybe try $5, but go ahead. If you haven't started, there's no better time than now. If you want to talk with other people who have started on their financial journey to becoming an ethical millionaire, we do now have a free Tax Lab Club. It's an online club. You can join for free and start the conversation there. We do have paid memberships for those who are getting a little bit more serious about their journey to becoming an ethical millionaire. But all you have to do is type in HTTP:/, those slashes, 2 of them, and then taxlab.club. And we'll get you in there. You can also just go to lab.tax, and we put it right there on the upper, it says Tax Lab Club. Or if you're ready to really get serious, we have that free 15-minute introductory phone call where you can sign up for our year-end tax strategy consultation. Or if it's already past December 15th, we're not taking any more after December 15th on that because it's just too late to do anything. Then we start looking at the comprehensive consult for a overall strategy for your life. So we help all kinds of people. Many of our millionaire and multimillionaire clients, of course, are in that VIP type of section. So we have kind of steps to help everybody along the path. And we would be happy if you joined us there. No, it's not a community to post your favorite kitty memes, but it is a community to share your positive experiences that might inspire and share your knowledge with somebody else. And you can be in there learning from others who have maybe been where you are now, have found pathways to success that are legal and ethical. I wish you guys all the success.